Hi guys, welcome back. And as part of this session, we are gonna maintain the data within that particular config.ini file, and I want to read that information from that config.ini file in my test. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I already have a utility. If you remember, we already have a utility that will be reading the data from a particular section in a config.ini. So here inside the config.ini, I'm defining capability and UDID for now. I'm just defining the UDID of that particular device. And here within the test, we have the UDID of that particular device. Copy the UDID of that device and put it in this document, which is a config.ini. In order to read the information, right, you need to import this particular class, and this is inside the utilities. So in your test, I was just importing from utilities config.reader import read config data. This is the one that I want to import it. Okay, perfect. And here read config data. Here you need to pass on the two arguments. One is the section. The capability is the section name, followed by the key that you want to read it. The key that I want to retrieve it is the UDID. Okay, so this is the UDID that I have updated here. Okay, read the data. So this should be outside the desired capabilities, not within the desired capabilities. Okay, outside the desired capabilities, not within the desired capabilities. Perfect. As we are reading it and I'm storing it in a UDID value is equal to. Okay, UDID value contains the value that it is retrieving from the config.ini file, whereas here I'm commenting this existing line. UDID is equal to that particular value that you are reading from that particular file. Okay, that particular value that you are reading from that file. As of now, I have defined this particular UDID value. You can also define all the sets of values that you want to pass on. Okay, perfectly all right. Now, what I'm trying to do is let me try to run this particular function and just check it out whether it is performing these operations or not. So here something got a failed. So no section cap. Okay, print. Where are we using this print? Okay, in the config reader you are using this print. We don't need it. Let me comment it up and let me try to run this test again and check it out. Okay, so here it's establishing a session with that particular device with which we can confirm that the UDID value was retrieved successfully. The UDID value got retrieved successfully. So this is the way how exactly you can define it. Okay, so this is the way how exactly you can define the data in a config.ini file and you can read it. So this is gonna be the fifth step. Okay, so we'll continue the next session with the next topic, okay, on the framework itself. Thank you. Bye bye.